Welcome to Forsyth. One of the best things about Forsyth is our teachers,
including our specialist teachers. Here, let us show you.
Hi, my name is Susan Zara, and I teach sustainability to grades 3 through 6. Sustainability is one of Forsyth's core foundational values. We have a group called Waste Ambassadors that help us reduce our waste.
Hey, my name is Miss Fisher, and I teach music to senior K through 6th grade. In addition to showing the kids the joy of music, we also help prepare the kids for 2 major events, and one is our Grand Friends Day, and the other one is our May celebration. Yeah!
Hola, my name is Silvia Mutis, and I teach Spanish pre-K to 2nd grade.
Hola, my name is Elizabeth Garcia, and I teach Spanish for 3rd through 6th grade and IAS. Adios!
Hi, my name's Jen Alsas.
I'm Justin Harris, Athletic Director.
We teach PE for grades JK through 6. Some of our favorite things to do are climbing, African dance, and archery.
In addition, we're both certified youth strength coaches, which means we work hard and we play hard. So every day when kids come to class, we start off with a workout and then we get to our unit games.
Hello, my name's Christine Torlina, and I am the lower division science teacher. I work with students in IAS through grade 1. We spend a lot of our time exploring the natural world outside and having lots of fun.
Hi, I'm Sharon Animal. I'm the upper division science specialist, and I teach grades 2 through 5, and we spend a lot of time conducting awesome science experiments right here in my science lab.
Hi, I'm Lizzie Ruzika. I teach grade 6 science. In 6th grade, science becomes a core subject, so we have science class every day.
Hello, my name is Evan DeBose, and I'm the drama teacher for grades senior K through 6th and the early childhood music teacher for IAS through junior K. All drama classes offer the children an opportunity to perform on stage.
Hi, I'm Saba Lutzler, and I teach visual art from senior K through 6th grade. Students in the art program get to paint, draw, sculpt, weave, and in 5th grade, they even get to work with an artist in residence from the community.
Hi, I'm Melissa Luthart. I teach Innovation and Design, also called IND. I see senior kindergarten through 6th grade. We do projects from 3D printing and design to electrical engineering, such as our drone project and our camping lanterns.
Hi, I'm Sarah Demasade, the librarian and media specialist here at Forsyth, and I get to see IAS through 6th grade.
see what we mean?
Hope to see you back here soon.
Bye!